Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lock Chrome browser with a password on your PC. First, understand that Chrome doesn't have a built-in password lock for the entire browser, so we'll use a reliable extension. This method adds a vital layer of security, especially if others use your computer, keeping your personal information private and secure. Next, you'll need to find a suitable extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for terms like Password Protect Browser or Lock Browser. Look for extensions with high ratings and a significant number of users, as these are generally more reliable. Once you've selected one, click Add to Chrome to install it. After installation, you'll typically find the extension icon in your browser's toolbar. Click it to access its settings. Here, you'll be prompted to create your new password. Make sure it's strong and memorable. You can also configure additional options, like how long before the browser automatically locks, perhaps after 5 minutes of inactivity. Now, whenever you open Chrome, or after a set period, you'll need to enter your password to access your browsing sessions. This provides excellent protection against unauthorized access to your tabs and data. It's a straightforward way to maintain your privacy on any shared device. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.